Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. On our today's project, it's going to be on how to make this box pouch with a zipper. It's going to be very easy and you are going to learn how to make one. So let's begin. We will need our main material and our lining, which is going to be 34 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Also we'll need the zipper, which is going to be 34 centimeters. So we are going to attach our zipper. Our zipper is going to be in between our main fabric and our lining. So we are going to pin and then we stitch. We are attaching the zipper on both sides. So we are going to stitch the zipper on our fabric. We will turn our fabric and then we will top stitch along the zipper. We will insert our zipper. Next we are going to mark the middle. Next we will turn our pouch out. The inside will come out. We are going to use our small handle, which is 8 centimeters by 2 centimeters. We are going to have 2 pairs. So we are going to attach between our middle and the zipper, the way I'm doing. We'll do so on both sides. We are going to stitch along the edges. And then we will bind our edges. On the four corners we are going to cut 5 centimeters by 4 centimeters on both four corners. Then we will turn our bag. So on the four corners we are going to stitch along the corners. We are going to start sewing on the right side, on the 4 corners. Next, we'll turn our bag and then stitch on the wrong side along the corners. We'll turn our bag the wrong side in, and then we will make our corners nicely. We pull our corners nicely. So our bag is now ready. Very beautiful and very easy to make. So you can go ahead and make your pouch bag. If you have enjoyed watching this video, you can join our sewing family for more video every week. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.